going YouTubers? ElliotPlays here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to this little vlog today. Well, I'm going to put over the weekend. I'm going to do a vlog over the weekend. So today is Friday the 21st, I think, of February. And today me and my cousin travelled to London to go to VidCon London, where we're going to meet some creators and have a look around to see what the expo's all about. It's going to be really fun. I can't wait. It's going to be awesome. So the first two meet and greets that we have on the Saturday are JACKSEPTICEYE, which I'm freaking looking forward to so badly because I wanted to meet that guy for 6 freaking years. So finally I get to do it and I'm so happy I do. And then we've got Ali and Claire on the Saturday as well, and that's the two meet and greets that were picked for Saturday. And then on the Sunday we have El Mills and Click for Taz, which is also really cool. I'm looking forward to meeting them guys as well. So yeah, that's going to be really cool. We'll probably look around and see if we can find any other creators who are going, because there's more feature creators going. So we're going to go and have a look around the floor and see if any of them are hanging around, and if they do, I'll get pictures and videos and whatever I can to show you guys a little bit around the expo and stuff as well. So that's going to be cool. So I'm going to go and get ready and yeah, sit on a bus for 7 hours, guys. That's going to be fun, right? So I'll probably see you guys in London, because I don't think I'll film on the bus, because I'll be sitting on the bus for 7 hours and I can't be asked to get my camera out to film while I'm sitting on the bus for 7 hours. So I'll probably see you guys in London. So for now, I'll catch you guys later and I'll see you in London. Peace. What's up, guys? I've arrived in London for VidCon London, guys. I'm so excited to go tomorrow. It's currently Friday. We've checked in the hotel and this is the room, guys. I'll show you what room I'm staying in. There you go, that's the room now there. It's not bad for like just me. My cousin's down the hallway, so that's cool. So yeah, like we checked in at 9 o'clock. Got here at 9 o'clock, checked in at 9:30. Had a 7-hour coach journey from Newcastle, which was a pain in the butt, but it's gonna be worth it, guys, because tomorrow I finally meet JACKSEPTICEYE. I finally meet him, guys. I freaking finally meet him after wanting to meet him since 2014. I finally meet him tomorrow, which I'm so fucking excited about. So yeah, I'll meet JACKSEPTICEYE and Claire and Ali tomorrow, and then on Sunday we'll meet El Mills and Click for Taz, which is gonna be cool. Click for Taz and El Mills was my cousin's picks. Jack and Ali were my pick. Ali and Claire were my picks. So yeah, that's gonna be fun. Can't wait to finally meet him tomorrow and meet everyone tomorrow, so that's gonna be cool. So yeah, I'm gonna go and try and get some sleep because it's an early rise. Yeah, so I'll catch you guys probably tomorrow at VidCon. Ooh, so peace for now, guys. Bye. Okay, guys, this is us standing in line for VidCon. I don't know why I didn't get a video of this, but I didn't. So this is us standing in line for VidCon. When we first went into the convention centre, we had to pick up with badges and our wristbands, because you needed the wristbands to scan into certain places. So we had to pick them up and write on our names on our badges and stuff like that. So we had to go and pick them up, and then we made our way to the expo hall, which I have footage of, so I'll cut to that footage. What's up, lads? We're at our first VidCon, lads. We're finally here, boys. We just opened the expo hall, so we're just waiting to see what's happening and crap like that. If you wanna look? Yeah. So we're gonna go to the expo hall and see the crowd. No. Yeah, we're gonna go and get in line to JACKSEPTICEYE and then be a squad. So I will see you at the JACKSEPTICEYE meet and greet, guys. Peace. Yeah. PJ's over there, lad. Okay, guys, this is me meeting Kick the PJ. PJ is a British YouTuber who mostly specialises in arts and crafts and music. So if you're into that sort of thing, then his link will be in my description. So please go and check him out and show him some love, guys. We actually met PJ twice. He was on the expo floor next to his merch stand both days. So obviously we went over and said hello to him and had a lovely conversation with him about VidCon, how it was my cousin's first convention ever and how it was his first London VidCon. We talked about who we had met, and yeah, that was it, I think. And then obviously we got a hug and a picture, and on the Sunday we got him to sign our stuff. I got him to sign my ghost that I purchased from his merch stand, and my cousin got his badge signed. So he's very nice to talk to, he was a lovely bloke, and yeah, it was very nice to meet you, PG, so thank you very much for being so lovely and meeting us. Okay guys, this is me meeting Jacksepticeye, and if you guys don't know who Jacksepticeye is, he is a Irish YouTuber who specializes in gaming and reaction videos and weird videos where he reviews products. I don't know what to call it, I don't know. But yeah, if you're interested in Jack's channel, then it will also be in my description. So this guy is the one I've wanted to meet for 6 freaking years, guys. And I've finally done it. I finally got to tell this guy how much he means to me and how much he has helped me throughout them 6 years that I've been watching his channel. He was my inspiration to start my own gaming channel. Because I just loved his videos. I loved the energy he had. I loved how genuine he was as a person, no matter how big he had gotten. Because he's at like 23 million now, and he's always stayed such a genuine, really nice guy. And I got to tell him that after 6 years, and I finally got my hug. I finally got the Jacksepticeye famous hug that everyone talks about, and it was a wonderful hug. Best hug I've ever had. So yeah, I got that, and we obviously talked about loads of things. Like, I was telling him I was really scared and nervous to meet him, and he was like, oh yeah, those TikTokers are very scary, it's fine, just stay calm. And I was like, I'll try and stay calm, but I can't because I've wanted to meet you for 6 years and now I'm shook. So he was like, yeah, thanks very much, and he was just so lovely, and I was so nervous, I just babbled like a freaking idiot, but he hung on my every word and he listened with just so much interest, like, because I was telling him about obviously losing my father and stuff, and he was saying how sorry he was to hear it and things, and I was telling him how on the day of my dad's funeral I got the meet and greet lottery results and I saw his name, and it gave me a reason to smile on that really bad day, which he was really grateful to hear and stuff like that, and obviously like said sorry for your loss and things like that, and gave me a cuddle, and I was just like, bruh, I'm shook. But yeah, this guy has been just a light on my dark days. Like, he truly doesn't know how much he's helped me through so many hard times, and I just don't know how to thank him. I was just so starstruck. I was so nervous standing in that line as we're inching closer and closer to getting in front of him and being like, yo, what's up, dude? Oh my god, it was crazy. But I finally met my idol after 6 years, and I posted on Instagram and he liked the freaking post, and now I was even more shook. So yeah, anyways, that was me meeting Jacksepticeye, which it was a dream come true. So thank you very, very much, Sean, for being such a lovely guy to meet and talk to. And I can't wait to do it all again if you go to VidCon next year. So yeah, guys, there you go. Okay guys, this is me meeting Ali A and Claire Chavon. These are a gaming couple from the UK. Ali specialises mostly in COD. He used to do COD videos, but now he's moved on to Fortnite and reaction videos. And Claire mostly now does Sims 4 videos. She has played other wide range of games such as Skyrim, Minecraft, Raft, Outlast, Five Nights at Freddy's. If you're in any of those games and you want to go and check out their channels, then please do go on the description and click their links below. But these were lovely people to meet. They were so kind, so sweet. I talked to Ali mostly about Fortnite and about VidCon, because he was saying it was their first London VidCon, and I was saying it was our first convention ever. I talked to Claire about our Sim series and how much I was enjoying our Disney one so far. And then they signed our badges and we got a hug from them and a picture, and they asked who we watched and we said we watched both of them, and they were happy to hear that. So yeah, thank you Claire and Ali for being lovely to meet, and yeah, thank you very much, guys. It was awesome.
Like quite high confidence. So if I'm feeling quite confident, I'm more inclined to be open. Whereas if I'm like feeling a little bit down about content, then I'll kind of shut off a little bit. But still, I'm just very much an open book.
Okay, guys. Well, here is me meeting Plumbella after that panel that she did what you just saw a clip of. She is a British YouTuber who specialises in Sims 4 videos. So if you like The Sims 4, then please do go and check her channel out below and show her some love. She's a very lovely lady and her content is awesome. Yeah, she was really, really nice to meet. She was lovely and bubbly and lovely ball of energy she was. She says it how it is and she's just an awesome YouTuber. We're talking about mostly like VidCon and our Sims videos, seeing how much we like them and things. We got a picture and a hug from her, and then obviously we met her twice. Because like I said, we didn't have a pen on the Saturday, so we went back on the Sunday to try and find her, and she was doing another panel, so we went and watched that panel, and then met her again after and got her to sign our badges. So thanks, Jessie, for not thinking me and my cousin were complete creeps and following you around to get our badges signed again. But she didn't mind. She says it was nice to see familiar faces. So, and she actually followed me on Twitter earlier today, so that made me even more shook than anything. So yeah, thank you very much, Jessie, for being really, really nice to talk to. You're a sweet person, and it was a pleasure to meet you. So yeah, thank you very much.
Right, let's go. I'll go first. What time did the man go to the dentist? 2:30.
That was a good one. Make some noise, everybody, please, for my team. Okay, but there's no noise.
That was a bit. What do you guys think of that one? It was a bit tight. Right, you guys. 3, 2, 1, slide! Well done.
Yeah, you ready? Okay guys, let's give us a countdown. 3,
2, 1.
I'm standing on the borderline. What should I bring me behind from who I was, for who I'm gonna be?
Looking out. Day 1 over, lads.
So many viewings,
Yeah, it was an icon. Day 1 over, lads. We're going to get some food because we're fucking starving. Been a good day. I enjoyed it, boys. I enjoyed it. This is us walking out now. Thank you for attending VidCon. You're welcome. I'll be back tomorrow. See you later, lads. What's up, guys? We just got back from VidCon and it was a brilliant first day. The Saturday was brilliant. We met loads of awesome creators there. We met JACKSEPTICEYE, Ali and Claire, Plumbella, and Kick the PJ, which was really, really cool. They were all lovely people. So nice, so genuine, so awesome. Got some nice cuddles, some nice photos, and yeah, it was awesome. I had some good chats with them all and it was really, really cool to see everyone. It was just really cool. It was just such a really good day and I really enjoyed my first VidCon experience and my first day at VidCon. So that was really cool. I'm so happy that I went and got the tickets and stuff, and yeah. Because I finally got to meet my idol, JACKSEPTICEYE. I'm so fucking happy I actually got to meet him this time, and I'm so happy that I done it. And yeah, he was just so lovely. So thank you, Jack, for being such a lovely person to meet and having a lovely chat with her. And yeah, you're just awesome. And Ali and Claire, they were awesome and so nice. Had a nice conversation with Ali, and yeah, it was cool. And yeah, it was awesome. Had a nice chat with Plumbella about just being Geordie and weird, basically. It was cool. And yeah, we had a nice chat with PJ about VidCon because it's his first London VidCon, because he's always doing the American one, so it was cool to see him at the London one. So yeah, good times. It was good times, guys, and I really enjoyed it. So day 2 tomorrow, we meet Click for Taz and L Mills. That's my cousin's 2 meet and greets that we've got, and then we're gonna probably stay for Jack's Q&A as well, and then leave for the bus because we've got to get the bus for 4:30 to go back to Newcastle. So we're gonna cut VidCon early tomorrow, and yeah, so as long as we got a meet and greet, then we're fine. So we're gonna cut it short tomorrow and just leave after meet and greets done and we've seen Jack's Q&A. And yeah, it's gonna be good. So I will see you guys tomorrow for day 2 of VidCon.